friends, I am live in my bathroom today because I wanted to give you some organizational tips for all your stuff that just might be a blessing to you or maybe just a new thought for you. And I'm always getting asked, Emily, how do you organize all your Mary Kay and your makeup and your skincare and your hair care and all of the things? I am by no means a super clean all the time organized person, but I do have some specific things and little systems that I have, so I'm going to share them all with you. If you love this kind of content or you just think I'm a little bit funny, go ahead and like and subscribe, and let's take a look at the stuff that I have. Okay, hi guys. All right, we're going to take a look at we're in my bathroom right now. Isn't this kind of fun? So this is kind of like my little getting ready space. So some of my favorite things, obviously, I'm in love with mirrors like this because I can pull it towards me. It has two different things. You guys, I bought this 100 years ago on Amazon. I know you're going to ask me for the link. I will try to put anything that I'm talking about. I will try to link it in the description of this video so that if you love something, you can find it. But some of this stuff is so old, I've done it forever, that I may not have the opportunity to do that. But okay, let's take a look here. So if you watch any of my videos, you know what a fan I am of these disposable face towels. I need to find a cuter container. I normally keep those in the drawer here underneath my bathroom, but I just set them up here to remind me to talk about them because normally I was getting these at Costco. You can get them on Amazon, but Sam's Club now sells them. And you guys, if you know me, you know that I love Sam's Club. I love me my Sam's Club. Oh my gosh, the scan and go, all the things, love it. Anyway, just wanted to share that with you. I also want to share, you guys, I'm in love. Okay, this is Lange. I do not like promote Lange or anything like that, but this little hair dryer has been so nice. You know how you just want it to, I don't know, like clip nice on the wall? Like look at it, you just like put this magnetic thing on the wall, and this is a magnet. There's a diffuser that goes on it too. And it's just the cutest little thing, and it comes in all these different colors. Of course I had to get pink, duh. And it just sits there, and so I'm in love, love, love with that dryer. All right, let's take a look next to it. So I always have a little container here with all of my little cotton pad things. I use so many of these between my toner, my eye makeup remover, my micellar water. So I always like to have a container just like sitting here to be able to kind of grab and go those. Now I know you guys are gonna ask me for this thing. I'm gonna tell you right now, I bought this on QVC probably, or my mom maybe. I think my mom bought it for me like 18 years ago. So I will try to find either something similar on Amazon or the QVC one. I'm not really sure what this brand is. I'll try to look. But this carousel thing, oh my gosh, I've had this for so long. I love this thing. Anytime a friend comes over and they see it, they freak out. So here's what I love about it. There's different sizes of compartments for different things. So I have like my toner and my eye makeup remover. You can put like smaller stuff in here. I've got, apparently I love floss, but there's this nice little compartment. This holds like my cleansers, some of the bigger bottles like this hydrating cream mask that I love from Mary Kay. You guys, most of this, everything in this carousel is Mary Kay, which is really cool besides like, you know, eye drops and things. But okay, so what I love about this top piece is I'm a grab and go kind of gal. So it's like, I want to be able to get ready quick, grab my stuff. So it's like, if I need a makeup brush, I can just grab it out, use it, and then put it back away. And it's easy and it's out. So I love that. And it has all my little like eyeliner pencils and brushes, and there's little, I love all these like little spots here with different lipsticks work really good. Sometimes a concealer ends up or a mascara in there. But here's the really fun part. Are you ready for this? This little guy, if you want it to, can pull out. So if you just want to like set it somewhere else, you can pull that out and then it can go back in. It also kind of makes it easier to clean, although mine's not like super clean. There's makeup on it. I've had this thing forever, as I said earlier, so it doesn't always look the cleanest. But I absolutely love this thing because it just kind of keeps all my stuff out but organized. And you guys, I will say, skincare tip, sometimes just having your stuff out is what helps you actually do your skincare or your, you know, makeup. Sometimes that silly things like that sort of inhibit us from creating that, you know, daily routine. And then in the drawer, I really just have one other drawer under there, and it's not all makeup. A lot of it is like hair stuff. And I don't know about you guys, it's a little bit of what I would call organized chaos. It doesn't have to look perfect, but I used to have such a problem with like the hair stuff, like spill it, like it would be like this. It would look like, oh my gosh, there's like hair binders and junk all in my makeup stuff, and I couldn't find it. So I bought a bunch of these little, I think I got these at Target, to be honest, these little like, just kind of organizing containers. I know IKEA has a ton of stuff. You could even go to like a silverware place and get like organizers for that. But I like to have, so like this thing is all my hair binders, claws, like, you know how you're doing your hair and you just need a little clippy for something. So I just do my little clippy here, your duckbill clip. But I want to show you this because these I can put in the description because I bought these not super long ago. But these, you guys, these little, I gotta share with you, these containers are like kind of everything because like I have a bobby pins one. I have naturally curly hair, so when I decide to do that, I like get volume by using these little clippies. Okay, you guys are gonna think I'm nuts, but I use a lot of clear hair binders for things, and I don't like it when they're in with the big poofy ones that I just wear at nighttime. But here's what's great about this, okay? I want you to hear this. This is like your ASMR right here. Did you hear that? It kind of like is spring-loaded, and then you can open it like that, and then it clicks shut again. Hold on, you gotta hear it, you gotta hear it. Oops, hold on. I'm doing this one-handed, folks. Here we go, I had it in wrong. All right, that's enough of that. And it has this great little cord. So I don't know. I mean, I feel like there's just like multiple uses for these things. So I love those to just kind of grab and go again. I did buy this thing with bobby pins on it, which has been really helpful. I like to keep okay, not really super, I did not pre-organize this. Normally I kind of keep all my foundations. So I have CC Creams foundations, summer, winter. I have all my different colors in there. So again, I can just grab from there. But this is kind of like the makeup that I use for the day. So I have different powders. Again, I have a darker one, a lighter one, and my translucent loose powder, all from Mary Kay. My cheek colors. These are some like old color palettes I like to use. But you guys, this thing right here, and I will put a link in my description to my website if you want to look at this Compact Pro. This thing is amazing. This whole square right here is a magnet. And so depending on what you get, like all of our cheek colors, like this is a contour powder. See how the back is magnetic? You can put however you want. You could, I'm gonna wreck your chi right there, look at that. You can put whatever you want, however you want into these palettes from Mary Kay, and I just love that. So you can organize it however, you can move it around, but I just love that everything is in one place. Look at how not clean mine. You know what, I should have like cleaned this ahead of time, but you're getting real me today. But look at how thin and just like compact that is. So if you are someone who is rocking a whole bunch of different palettes, click cases, whatever, I even want to show you this. This is probably not endorsed by the company, but I'm going to show it to you. We sometimes come out with these like limited edition palettes like this. Y'all, I take a butter knife and I dig them out and then they become this. So this becomes this. This is just my backup palette because I really like some of these colors. So, but you can put those in your magnetic little compact. So yeah, this is like our little pro palette it's called. So if you're needing something, this one's obviously been around. Here you go. This kind of takes care of all of that. So yeah, so this drawer kind of has all of the rest of my makeup stuff and just kind of keeps me easy, you know, easy to do my routine, grab and go, that type of thing. All right, another system that I have that has really helped me a lot is this. Okay, so you're gonna laugh at me. You're gonna say, Emily Schuette, why do you have so many brushes? It's a little bit of laziness. Instead of washing them, I open a new one. But also, I really like makeup, but also I do some bridal makeup too, so I just like have a lot of brushes. So one of the things I like to do is I have 2 bags. Now, it doesn't have to be these bags. It could literally be any makeup bag you have sitting around your house. This bag contains brushes that are newly cleaned. Okay, so all my brushes in here, see how they're clean, they don't have makeup. And if you're like, how do you clean your brushes? I do have a video on that. I will link it in the end screen. I'll also try to put it in the description so that if you're like, I want to learn how to clean my brushes, because if you have acne prone skin or you haven't cleaned your brushes in a while, that might be a place to start. So this is my clean brush bag. But then, you know, as I'm using brushes in here, like for example, this powder brush, probably could use a little clean. Actually, there's probably quite a few brushes in here that, like this one for sure. Look at this, look at this one. This one needs to go in my clean bag. Here we go, see all the makeup in there? So what I do with this red bag is, this is where they all go, the dirty brushes. So see, this one's like full of makeup. And then that way, like when it's time to clean brushes, I just come in here, grab these, and then I can take them and get them all cleaned up, and then they'll go into the clean brush bag. But it's just like, you know, sometimes it's just like a little simple thing like that that just kind of, you know, again, resets your bathroom, resets your makeup and skincare routine, and, you know, keeps things going, and then some. All right, guys, the last thing I want to show you, you're going to be like, this is the most duh thing I've ever heard, because one day I was so fed up that I'm like, duh. Okay, so if you are someone who travels a lot, now, I think for the longest time, I didn't do this because in my mind, I was like, traveling means going to exotic destinations constantly, and that's not, I mean, I go a lot of really cool places and on lots of great vacations, but like, not constantly. Y'all, traveling means all of that plus going to the mother-in-law's house, going to your parents' house, traveling to your kids, going for the conference 5 hours away on the weekend. Like, I am doing that stuff constantly. I'm going to the cabin, I'm going to my friend's house, whatever. So if you are someone who leaves your house frequently, and if you are like me, I cannot stand packing and unpacking. I hate it hate it so much. This is your Zen moment of the day. Get yourself a travel Rolo bag. You guys, this is one of my favorite Mary Kay things because look at this thing. Look at all the junk I got in there. And you can like mash this thing in a suitcase and it does not wreck your stuff. But here's what's great. It opens up like this, okay? So see all the different pockets? It has this hook on it. Now this is like you get to the hotel, you get to your mother-in-law's, whatever, you hook this on the door. Now if you don't want everyone to see your stuff, it swivels around. So you could have it on the door like this, but I don't know. I don't like it when everybody looks at my stuff. And I love it when I see my Mary Kay friends and they all have their bags. I'm like, what do they put in their bag? I just want to look. So I love this bag. And then the best part is, helps if you zip them all first. These all rip off. So if you just want to grab your skincare bag, you can do that. I'm not just showing you the bag, okay? So you can purchase this bag. I'll link my website, my shopping site in the description. So if you want one, it's a great bag. It lasts forever too. I mean, these things are like indestructible. But here's the secret sauce of this bag. One day I was so fed up, I'm like, Emily Schuette, you have a 50% consultant discount. Open a second thing of all your things. So I did that. I literally have a second copy of my skincare, a second copy of my toothbrush, and my floss and my stuff, a second copy of all my makeup, or the makeup that I travel with is in here. I even have a shower cap because you never know. And then a second copy of my hair stuff, and it's all in here. So when I need to travel, I am not packing or unpacking ever. It's just, this is the travel bag. Now I do have to go through a couple times a year and just audit this because sometimes as you're traveling, you run out of a serum or a mask and then you go, oh, crap, and then you forget that by the next trip. But you guys, stop the insanity. Why are you packing and unpacking? Stop the insanity and open yourself a second one. It's just like so nice to just know, like, okay, I just grabbed this. We're packed with beauty stuff. Let's go. So I hope this tip helps you. And I hope I gave you some just, I don't know, maybe some fresh ideas for your own bathroom. Maybe if you want, you put in your comments, what's your favorite way to organize your stuff? That'd be kind of cool. And thank you again so much for being here and just watching my channel. And go ahead and check out, I have a whole playlist with product videos that you can check out if you want to learn more about the products that I love, which is Mary Kay.